Welcome to Kohl's Promote IQ 101 training. In this video, we'll review how to set up a sponsored products campaign in the Kohl's Promote IQ platform. Once you've logged in to the Kohl's Promote IQ dashboard, click on the New Campaign button in the left-hand navigation or in the top right-hand corner. If you have access to multiple brands, select the brand from the drop-down menu that you'd like to create this campaign for. Select Product Placement, also known as PLA, Product Listing Ads, and Sponsored Products. Then click Next. In the configuration step, you'll set up your campaign parameters. The placement type will be pre-populated with Kohl's PLA. Next, you'll want to create your campaign name. We recommend using a consistent naming convention for every campaign for reporting purposes. Consider including the category, time frame, and/or inventory type. So for this example, we'll use advertiser, men's fall, PLA campaign. Select the category most relevant to the products you wish to promote. You're only able to select a single category, and this will be used for Kohl's Media Network billing purposes. In this example, we'll select men's. Your vendor authorization number is optional to the campaign setup process. You'll want to confirm if your company requires this field for invoicing, in which case you should be completing this field during this step before the campaign is launched. Next, you'll set the campaign status. Select Paused if you're setting up a campaign to launch at a later date, or Active if you want to launch the campaign immediately. The next step is choosing your budget and budget interval. You can opt to have your budget refresh on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, or use a lifetime budget that does not repeat for year-long evergreen campaigns or for short-term promotions. You can select a start and end date if you want to run a campaign for a specific period of time. Otherwise, select a recurring campaign. For this example, we'll use a monthly recurring campaign. Next, decide how much you want to spend. And this will vary greatly based on the category and your objectives. In this example, we'll use $10,000. The last campaign configuration step is to select your pacing option. Even pacing will distribute your spend evenly over the course of your campaign duration and ensure you don't spend through your budget too quickly. ASAP pacing can be a good option to ensure your budget is spent during time-sensitive promotions and holidays, for example. In this example, we'll use even pacing. Now that all required fields have been completed, click Next. Next, we'll move on to the content portion of the campaign setup, where you'll select the products you'd like to include in your campaign and set bids. What you'll see on this page is a live feed of eligible products, or SKUs. The product feed is updated daily to reflect current available inventory. Select products by scrolling through the list of SKUs, using the search bar, or you can filter by category, products on sale or in stock status, or by item price. For this example, we'll filter to the clothing category, view in stock products at a price of $0 to $50. Click the box for each product that you want to select for this campaign. Or you can click the box at the top of the chart to select all SKUs that meet your search or filter criteria. Next, you'll input a bid for each item. The bid is the maximum cost per click that you're willing to pay for each item. You can enter unique bids for each product or apply the same bid amount to all products in the top right-hand corner. If using the same bid for all products, input your bid, then click Apply to see that price reflected for each of your selected items. When selecting a bid, it is more important to reference the suggested bid range rather than the minimum bid. The suggested bid range is pulled from the highest and lowest winning bid on the platform in the past 24 hours. So you'll want to bid within that range to remain competitive. The final consideration is the product sale price. A good rule of thumb is that you don't want to bid more than 50% of the price of the item. So in this case, because the selected items are priced well above the suggested bid range, we'll input $5. As a reminder, the Kohl's Promote IQ system works on a second price auction model. You can think of this like the price is right, where to win the auction, your bid only needs to be 1 penny higher than your competitor. The Promote IQ platform will automatically optimize your bid to only pay 1 penny than the next closest bidder. So in this example, if you bid $5 and the next closest competitor bids $4, you'll pay $4.01. And that will be reflected as the cost per click in the dashboard and in your reporting. Once you've selected all your products and input your bids, you can double check your selections by clicking View Selected. If you have multiple products to promote, you also have the option to use the bulk product feed. This includes the full taxonomy of each product and is a simple process. To use this option, follow the on-screen instructions to download the bulk file, input your bids for the products you'd like to promote directly into the Excel file, and upload the catalog file. And please remember, if you do use this option, do not delete any columns or alter the Excel file. Otherwise, that file will not be compatible with the Promote IQ platform. Now that you've double checked your product selections and bids, you're ready to go to the last step, which is selecting your targets and launching your campaign. Click Next. In the last step of your PLA campaign setup, you will see all available target criteria for your campaign. Targeting is based on a one-to-one taxonomy match based on the products you selected. This means that the available targets reflect the applicable categories in which the products you selected in the previous step can appear. So, because we selected products categorized as clothing, those are the category targets available in this step. The default option is to select all available targets to maximize visibility across categories. Clothing is the main category page, and you'll also see relevant subcategory pages, including sleepwear and pajama bottoms, among others. You may also have the option to target related categories with cross-targeting. Available cross-targets will appear in a section directly below category targeting options. You can reach out to your Kohl's Promote IQ representative if you feel there are additional relevant cross-targets that can be added. If you're not quite ready to launch your campaign, you can click Save in the top right-hand corner. Otherwise, when you're ready to launch, click the Launch Campaign button in the bottom right-hand corner, and your campaign will be live on-site within about an hour. That covers our walkthrough of creating a sponsored products campaign. Be sure to check out the rest of our 101 training series for more information on reporting and best practices. If you have any questions, please contact us at kohls@promoteiq.com.